So here we have this Best Office high back gaming chair. Now in this video I'm going to unbox it, show you how to put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. Here's everything that came in the box, and it came packaged pretty nicely. Anyway, let's go ahead and put this together, and I'm going to use a timer to see how long it takes. Alright, there we go, it's all put together. That was super simple, it took just about 11 minutes. It has a nice sturdy metal base and then these standard cheap plastic casters. They roll just fine, but they're not the best. Couple inch thick cushion, relatively comfortable. It has these aluminum armrests with a small cushion on top. The foam is a little bit too squishy, I prefer it more firm. But anyway, it also has this adjustable lumbar support and then a pillow for your head. Alright, so I haven't sat on this for hours, but my initial impression is that it's relatively comfortable. Of course you can adjust its height with this lever here. The armrests are a little bit low for me though, and they're not adjustable. You also can't lay back in the chair, it's pretty straight up and down. The lumbar support pillow is also a little bit too large for my preference, and I'm not sure I like these sort of side wing cushions. They kind of get in the way of spreading my legs out. I do like the head cushion though, it's pretty comfortable. So yeah, overall, it's not my favorite gaming chair. It doesn't quite have enough adjustability, and there are a couple other things I mentioned that make me not a huge fan of this chair. But compared to some other gaming chairs, it is pretty cheap, so if that's what you're looking for, then it's not a bad choice.